Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss about dengue fever and increase in the platelets, how to increase platelets in our health problems and natural remedies. Okay, so this is how we will follow list of concoctions, diet plan with millets, exercise and what to avoid. Okay, so first part is concoctions. First week you have to take papaya leaves concoction. Okay, this leaf you can take only half the leaf or one quarter, one eighth of the leaf. Okay, because the leaf size you can see it is very big enough. Okay, so don't take whole leaf or half leaf, take only this much part, that is sufficient. Okay, that is one eighth or one tenth maybe roughly. Okay, next week, this is very important, you shouldn't miss papaya leaf. Okay, if you want to increase platelet count. Okay, next one is drumstick leaves, take 20 to 25 leaves. Okay, because the leaf is very small to make concoction. Tamarind tree leaves, take 35 to 40 leaves to make concoction. Otherwise if you are taking the bunch, take one bunch, one or two bunches sufficient. Okay, heart shaped moonseed leaves, take 4 leaves to make concoction. Okay, holy basil plant leaves. Okay, take roughly 10 to 15 leaves to make concoction depending upon the size of the leaf. Next is curry leaves, take 15 to 20 leaves of this size to make concoction. Okay, so at the end of the presentation you will be looking at how to make a concoction using the leaves, and the procedure is same for each and every leaf. Okay, so concoctions, this is the plan. First week papaya leaves, second week drumstick leaves, third week tamarind leaves, fourth week heart-shaped moonseed leaves are night flowering jasmine leaves. Okay, if you didn't get these leaves, heart-shaped moonseed leaves, you can proceed with night flowering jasmine leaves. Okay, fifth week holy basil plant leaves, sixth week curry leaves. Okay, if you do not find any one of the leaves, let's say you didn't get holy basil plant in your locality, then skip this one. Fifth week you take curry leaves instead of holy basil plant leaves. Okay, and you have to repeat this sequence till you get recovered from the disease. Okay, after sixth week you have to go back to first week again. And one more important note is you have to maintain 45 minutes to 1 hour gap between your concoction and the next meal. Okay, that means if you drink concoction, wait for at least 45 minutes. Okay, and if you cannot drink kashaya as it is, you can add palmja green it. Okay, next diet plan with millets, take foxtail millet for 2 days. Okay, if you are consuming, if you are taking meals for 2 times a day, eat with only foxtail millets. Okay, if you are taking for 3 times, all the 3 times you have to eat with foxtail millets, like that. Brown top millets for 2 days, little millet for 2 days, kodo millet for 2 days, barnyard millet for 2 days. Okay, this is the diet plan. Eat these millets alternatively for this 10-day schedule. Repeat this sequence till you get recovered from the disease. Okay. No rice, no bread, no wheat products till the recovery. Use only wood pressed oils or bull driven oils. Okay. How to cook millets? Cook it either like rice or make millet porridge. So cooking it like rice. Add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it either on open top vessel or in a pressure cooker, and avoid pressure cooking if you have enough time. Making millet porridge, use either granulated millets or whole millets. Add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Here you can increase the number of glasses. You can add 10 glasses also if you want it to be more watery. Okay, once it is cooked, let it become cooled by opening the lid. Tie the top using cotton cloth once it is cooled down. Okay, and keep it for 8 to 10 hours depending upon the season. Okay, to get it fermented. Okay, if it is summer you can keep it only for 6 to 7 hours, that is enough, and then eat it. Okay, exercise, I recommend doing exercise if you can. Okay, this is not compulsory. Okay, if you have body pains or any problem, then don't do. Otherwise walk for 1 hour. 1 hour is sufficient. And and you need not increase your walking time till you get recovered, because if you are stuck with dengue fever, don't increase the walking time. If you want to increase only platelet, yeah, you can increase the walking time. Foods to avoid: all milk and dairy products, rice and wheat products, refined oil, sugar, jaggery. Okay, alternatives are there for sugar and jaggery. You can consume honey, you can consume palm jaggery, you can take dates, you can consume dates also if you are not diabetic. Okay, wheat powder and refined wheat powder, tea, coffee, all bakery products, all polished millets or refined millets, non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, and all ready-made foods, and all ready-to-eat foods. Now we will be looking at how to make concoction using papaya leaves. So we are going to see how to make papaya leaves concoction. Okay, first take 250 to 300 ml of water. Okay, in a vessel, and then close the lid. Close the top using lid. Okay, then switch on the stove. Let it boil for a while. Okay, when the water is warm enough, then you have to add papaya leaves. Okay, I will show you once the water gets boiled up. Yes, the water got boiled up now. Okay, let's remove and see. Fine. Now we have to place two leaves of this size. Okay, that means that is only one tenth of the leaf maybe. Okay, so this much is enough, sufficient. Okay, to make concoction. Let's close the vessel. Okay, and then you have to boil it for again 3 to 4 minutes in a low flame. Okay, okay, now it got boiled up. Okay, you have to close the lid and wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, once it got boiled up, then you can have concoction. And one more important thing is, some people may not like the taste of the papaya leaves concoction. For them I suggest to add some palm jaggery in it. Okay, to have a better taste. Not for the diabetic people, anyone who do not have diabetes, they can have palm jaggery. Okay, yes, 4 minutes is over. Now I'm what I'm doing is, I have to filter out, right? I will be filtering out the content. Okay, let's filter that one out. Okay, using a filter. Fine, like this you have to filter out the contents. Okay, in every concoction you will be reminded with the boiled leaves that you can omit. That means that you can place in the dustbin. Okay, that is of no use, right? So that's it. See the color. Yeah, some people may not like, uh, so for them I am telling to add palm jaggery if they are not diabetic. Okay, and drink it sip by sip. Okay, take a spoon, drink it slowly, sip by sip. Okay, see how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.